The information given to us by Kochikar has to do with processing that takes place in E&R and also about data that this processing uses. What about business policy? How much does Kochikar tell us about business policy that is followed in E&R? A moment's reflection will convince you that the statements he makes are not only about business policy per se, but also about certain details which don't necessarily have to do with any business policy in E&R. We can analyze the information given by Kochikar using a 2x2 matrix.
We would also like to be able to enter requests and nominations for courses which we have announced. Yes, we do indeed grade entry-level folks on a 5-point grading system from A through E. Normally 14 weeks, which is the duration of our entry-level training program. Pretty classical here too. We circulate these feedback forms in class and students pen their bouquets and brickbats into this. Students pen their bouquets and brickbats into this, and then the feedback forms come back for summarization. Usha summarizes them. Students pen their bouquets and brickbats into this, and then the feedback forms come back for summarization. Usha summarizes them, sends a summary report to the instructor, and files one copy in the course offering archives.